let's do some market haul. So here we have, this is half painter of okra. I got this for 4,000 naira, and then I got this fish for 2,500 naira. Then I got these peppers. These are scotch bonnet peppers. I got them for 1,000 naira. Then ugu, this ugu like this is 400 naira. And then this is half cup of ground ogbono. I told them to grind it for me in the market. So this is half cup of ogbono is 2,000 naira. And then I told them to add 100 naira crayfish, you know, to use and bring out the ogbono. How will I explain it? In Igbo we say kejile kwapta the ogbono from the engine. So this is 2,100, 2,000 for the half cup of ogbono and 100 naira for the crayfish. They usually don't charge for the grinding if you buy from them. So that's all for my market haul. Now let's start cooking. Crayfish. I love to grind that crayfish and then store them in containers like this, so that anytime I need to cook I can just use the powdered one instead of having to grind it every time that I need crayfish. So it's already brought out the blender. Let me cook. I was planning on doing it later today, but since I'm already using the blender, let's just get it over with.